Most executives think fire is the biggest threat to their office operations.
But the true business killer is silent. And it starts with just a single drop. We call this the slow drip disaster. It doesn't scream for your attention. Think of a slow leak from an AC vent or a rusted pipe, just waiting to cause damage. And this happens silently, right above your most critical asset, your server room. So what's the real cost? Well, when water hits your IT core, your business stops. The cost to actually fix the pipe? That's almost nothing, really.
The real cost is the downtime. Just 48 hours offline can cost you lakhs.
This means you've got to shift your mindset. True risk intelligence means looking up, not just forward. Simple, proactive audits of your wet areas and where your servers are can save your business. At Ethika, our job is to see these gaps long before they ever become floods. So don't wait until the ceiling is already falling in to address these hidden risks. Partner with us to move your organization from being reactive to being proactive.